Behind me is the famous Balangiga Bells. No? Ang history nito ng September 28, 1901, yung mga Amerikanong sundalo nakipaglaban ng ating mga Filipino patriots. There were about 73 Americans killed, wounded in that skirmish, while about 100 plus ng mga Filipinos. At dito ay nagalit ang ating forces ng Amerikano. Nag-launch sila ng mga series of attacks in these towns and its nearby towns, and resulted to sufferings of a lot of Filipinos. Then kinuha pa nila itong bells na ito at dinala sa Amerika. There were attempts by previous administration to retrieve these bells, but to no avail until former President Rodrigo Duterte had embarrassed the Americans in this concept. So the Americans had to do something and return the bells. This is very historic, the famous Balangiga bells.